Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to lock Brave browser with Face ID. Let's go. Face ID is a feature that allows you to use facial recognition technology to unlock your device or specific apps by setting up Face ID for the Brave browser. You can add an extra layer of security to protect your browsing data and personal information. First of all, open up the Brave web browser. Then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, bring this up and then tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll see an option called Browser Lock. Unlock Brave with Touch ID, Face ID, or System Passcode. To lock your Brave browser with Face ID, simply enable this option. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.